Brennan, if you'd like to step over to this used Foley table.
Absolutely.
Getting the old sloppy thirds, are you?
I'm actually not worried about the sloppy thirds, and I'm going to tell you why. Sam puts a lot of work and effort into this show, and I actually have found the moments in the clip that correspond to each one of these sets of objects. So the grapefruit, the pipe, the golf ball, the cutlery, the plunger, the towel, the bucket, the telephone, and especially the Scrabble tiles, which you might think are supposed to go at the rocks falling at the end, but there's actually a place that I think Sam wants them more. So whenever you're ready, you can play the clip.
And a 3, and a 2, and a 1, go.
Fuck! Oh, fuck! No! Oh, my point! Fuck! Oh, my point! Shit! Wait! Pause it! Shit! Oh, fuck! Oh, shit! Oh, fuck ass! Oh! My point! No! Fuck! Oh, fuck! I buffed it! I fucking buffed it, dude! I shitted it! No! No! I'm supposed to be the smarty! No!
You're okay, bro. It's okay. We can help you out. Yo,
You're dead! Yeah. Just want to briefly extend my apologies to the art team for all of that good work gone to waste.
I'm really sorry.
We have time to go
Yeah,
again.
we can set this all. We can set this back
again?
up.
Reset? Back to one?
Back up.
Resetting back to one?
Get all back together. It's okay. Yeah, we'll give it another try.
Shit ass, dude! Shit ass! Why?
Got it.
Fuck!
Such an idiot.
Here we go. All right, now we're ready.
Well, I guess that point goes to Josh.
I broke this too.